Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline Kombi in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre Bi-TDi engine pushing out 204 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. The vehicle also features a front colour coordinated bumper with front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke design, and as we move to the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reverse camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Behind the tailgate is a very spacious load area with a rubber floor covering as well as 4 lashing points. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle, behind which is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration featuring ISOFIX points. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece, plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, and in terms of entertainment there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Along with this is a Discover Media navigation system including streaming and internet. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls. The van features climatic air conditioning as well as the options for the heated rear window. A 12-volt and 2 USB-C outlets help keep those smart devices charged, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which allows for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.